Today I'm doing a Lovevery unboxing. It's my favorite toy subscription. It's amazing. I've written a whole blog post talking about how much it costs, you can see what's inside a box, everything. So just see that link in my bio. Usually I have my kids open these, but it's hard to see what's inside, so I thought I would open them. This is part of the 3-year-old subscription. And if you are deciding, which I can only buy one of the 3-year-old boxes, this is the one you should pick. This has been my boys' absolute favorite. They're 4 now and they still play with some of the items in here. So anytime I unbox, the first thing I grab is this little booklet that comes with it. It shares everything that's in the box. It shows you how to use everything and even gives you ideas of other fun activities that you can do with your kids at home. The first thing is this adorable, something that you would have in preschool, which is perfect for 3-4-year-olds. If they're in preschool, every morning you could wake up and say, okay, what does the weather look like? What day is it? Every play kit box comes with adorable books. This is so cute. Teaching children about your emotions, happy, sad. All right, so I'm gonna show the most used toy, probably out of all the Lovevery toys that we get, is this adorable playhouse. This cute little slide, and they show you in the little booklet all the different ways that you can use it. A little car. Another thing I love about this booklet is they give you additional activities that you can just do with kids at that age. And I did this with my boys and they loved it, matching the letter sticker with the letter on the wall.